Hi guys, today we'll test the liquid to clean the exhaust pipes. Actually, I was a bit skeptic about this liquid, however my friends recommended it to me and said I should try it. So let's start. I already took off the skid plate and clean the bottom of engine a little bit. Now we will start to test this liquid. It has white color. I already put some liquid into a cup. Let's take a brush and try. We'll see how it works. Well, what we can see after 20 minutes, this liquid actually works, and it works well. Of course, it doesn't work automatically. It's better to use a sponge. And after applying the layer of this liquid, I wait for about 20 minutes. But it actually works. I'm surprised.